Now, Delhi's reported 20,000 fresh cases of COVID. This is the highest single-day rise since May last year. The capital also reported 7 deaths over the last 24 hours. The positivity rate is past 19%. It's currently 19.6%. And the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal held a press conference today where he said that in the next 24 hours, which is by the end of day today, the Delhi government would be reporting around 22,000 coronavirus cases. However, he says hospitalizations and deaths continue to remain low. Listen in.
कई लोग मेरे से प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं, लॉकडाउन लगेगा? हम लॉकडाउन नहीं लगाना चाहते। लॉकडाउन नहीं लगेगा अगर आप मास्क पहनोगे तो। मास्क पहन के घर से बाहर निकलो, मास्क पहन के चारों तरफ घूमो। अगर जरूरत ना पड़े तो घर से बाहर ना ही निकलो, अभी थोड़े दिन कोई जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन मास्क पहनना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है। हम लॉकडाउन नहीं लगाना चाहते। फिलहाल लॉकडाउन लगाने की कोई हमारी मंशा नहीं है। 7 मई को भी 20,000 केसेस आए थे पिछली वेव में, लेकिन 7 मई को 341 मौतें हुई थी। 341 मौतें। लेकिन कल जब 20,000 केसेस आए हैं तो 7 मौत हुई हैं। 7 मई को जब 20,000 केसेस आए थे तो लगभग 20,000 बेड्स दिल्ली में भरे हुए थे, लेकिन कल जब 20,000 केसेस आए हैं तो लगभग 1,500 बेड केवल दिल्ली में भरे हुए हैं। तो उस तरह से इस वेव के दौरान डेथ भी काफ़ी कम हो रही हैं और लोगों को अस्पताल जाने की भी काफ़ी कम ज़रूरत पड़ रही है।
Sonakshi joins us with the very latest. Sonakshi, weekend curfew in place in the national capital. The positivity rate is touching 20%, but the Delhi Chief Minister says if people continue to follow COVID-appropriate behavior, there will be no lockdown.
The Delhi Chief Minister today, who is recovering from COVID himself, announced today saying that the repeated questions of whether there will be a lockdown in the national capital, he has clarified that there will be no lockdown as long as people follow basic COVID protocols such as wearing a mask and follow social distancing. He has repeatedly said that there will be no need for a lockdown and that he feels there is no need for a lockdown in the national capital so as long people follow the basic COVID protocols. This is coming at a time when Delhi is seeing a frightening surge of COVID cases with over 20,000 cases being reported yesterday in the 24-hour period. But today the Chief Minister also mentioned that today Delhi is likely to see 22,000 fresh COVID fresh COVID cases, and that the positivity rate is likely to go up. But the one thing that the Chief Minister and in fact the Delhi government have been emphasizing on is the comparative analysis between hospitalizations. They continue to say that hospitalizations and deaths continue to remain low, which is why people should not feel the need to panic or to feel scared, but in fact be responsible. He gave us a comparative analysis between May last year and of yesterday. So he compared the number of cases, the number of beds that were occupied between May 2021 and yesterday. And he said that the last time 22,000 cases were reported in the national capital was in May of 2021, and at that time a huge number of COVID beds were occupied. And as opposed to yesterday, there were only 1,500 COVID beds that were occupied. He also continued to emphasize the need to not feel alert and panic at the moment or spread any form of panic. But yes, the Delhi Chief Minister making his first appearance, talking about COVID after he tested positive himself and talking about the importance of following those basic COVID protocols, and also clarifying that Delhi will not see a lockdown, at least for now.